please can you tell us your name and what village you come from? We love your attire.
Oh, thank you so much. My name is Barrister Prince Daniel Emmanuel Ekuipeyong Hogan Basi Abasioku. I'm from the royal house of Abasioku in Barakom Creek Town. Yes, in Barakom Creek Town.
Thank you very much, sir. It's such a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay.
I should start again.
Yes.
My name is Barrister Prince Daniel Ekuipeyong Hogan Basi Abasioku. I am of Ikorogonobasi Creek Town in Odubange local government area, Cross River State, Nigeria. And I am from the Abasioku Royal House in Barakom Creek Town. And today happens to be the boat regatta, which is one of the events marking Utomobong Festival. Utomobong means homage to the king, and we are paying homage to the Obong of Calabar, Edideme Bukun Abasitu the fifth, the natural ruler, treaty king, defender of the Efik culture, defender of the people, defender of the Christian faith, So today we are coming to, have a competition wherein we would have about 12 boats representing the 12 ancestral clans of a kingdom, 12 principalities, if you would like to call it that way, of a kingdom that made up the throne of the Obong of Calabar. So they would be displaying in the boats, competing from where you've seen here. You can point at it from here to the end of the river, wherein they would have to pick. There is a material they would pick from there and return.
Oh,
the
wow.
first boat that does that and return safely, all right, wins a prize.
Oh, wow.
Wins a prize.
Oh, wow.
And that prize would be, given to them by no other person, by the Obong of Calabar, the Didem
Of the
people. So, and there are other consolation prizes for the second runner-up and the third runner-up. And so this is a very classical event, and which has already been subsumed into carnival events of Cross River State, signifying that Cross River State is no other state other than a tourist state where you come, you live, and be addressed. I'm sure
Absolutely.
you already know what Calabar means.
Absolutely.
The acronym means
Come and live and be at rest.
So that's Calabar for you.
Yes, sir.
And 2025, we are having fun, lots of fun.
Thank you so
And you can see our state so beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Our kingdom so beautiful.
Yes, sir.
And one thing so spectacular about Calabar people is the fact that they are very hospitable.
Absolutely.
These are the hospitable people, the most hospitable people on earth.
Yes,
on
sir.
planet
We
Earth.
agree.
So we are here. We welcome tourists, welcome foreigners.
Yes, sir.
Come here and be at rest.
Yes, sir.
And we will take good care of you.
Yes, sir.
So
Thank
you.
you.
Can see from our attire,
Yes.
we look good.
Yes.
Even the Queen of England prefers this material more than any other material.
Yes,
They
sir.
love us because we look good, we dress well,
Yes,
we
sir.
speak well,
Yes,
we
sir.
eat well.
Yes, sir.
So name it.
Yes, sir.
That's the reason the Calabar people are said to be a Fredi Mbakara.
Yes, sir.
Not because of our skin, but because of our
Culture.
attitude, behavior, culture,
Yes,
and
sir.
belief.
Yes,
It
sir.
distinguishes us from the crowd.
Yes,
so
sir.
welcome to Calabar. Enjoy yourself. Salvo.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much.